Hello dear students, we are going to learn Computer Chapter 3 using mail merge. Looking at the picture, you will have some idea of mail merge. Yes, mail merge is creating letters and sending to many persons. Mail merge is a feature of MS Word. What is the use of mail merge? Mail merge feature is used to combine a data source with the main document. Main document is a letter, data source is a recipient list. What is the use of mail merge? Mail merge feature is used to combine a data source with the main document. It saves our time and energy by sending a letters with similar information to multiple people. It prints the name and address of each recipient. Data source, main document, merge field. There are three features here. Data source. Data source means consists of mailing list. Example, name of the person, address, city, state, etc. Main document. Main document contains the text that we wish to send to all persons. Merge field. Merge field is a data item which instructs MS Word where to insert the data source information in the main document. Now let us see how to create a mail merge. Creating a mail merge. First, go to Mailings tab. Then click on Start Mail Merge. You can see the arrow. From there you get a option Step by Step Mail Merge Wizard. When you click this, you will see the right side. There is a task pane. There are 6 steps in it. Let us see those steps. The first step. First step, you will get options of 5 letters, email envelopes, labels, directory. You select a letters option. Then the second, go to next step. The second step, you will see use the current document. Okay, so you type a letter and keep ready, then use the current document. If you want choose any other option, you can also choose. Then click the next step. Step 3. Use an existing list. If you have already created a recipient list, you can go to browse and select. Otherwise, if you want type a new list, select type new list. I have already created, so I am using use an existing list. Then click on the browse option. You will see the stored data that you get from the documents. After selecting the files, you get the options of 5th step. That is more items. When you click on the more items, in the right side you see the 2 arrows. There are list of things in that. Address, name, title, last name, first name and company name, city, state, etc. Whatever you want to insert in the letter, you can select from those. Then the step 5 opens. If you want to see the recipient list, you can click there 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. You can choose from there. If you want to preview it, you can choose from the tabs on the top of the MS Word file. When you click finish, you can click the finish mail merge option. Then you get 3 options. If you want send a letter through mail, you can send. If you want print it, you can also print. If you want to edit, you can do the editing option also. There are in the 5th step also editing recipient list. You can add many addresses. In the 6th step, if you want, you can print or you can edit the recipient list, means you can add more list of the addresses. and print preview option. If you click, then you can see the recipient one. I have selected the recipient one, and you can see the name of the recipient and the address on the top. We have inserted file name, address, city, state, like that, but we get the list like this, the recipient list, what is given on the right side of the screen. Then if you click recipient list, you will get the another list of the another recipient, their address and the details. So create mail merge and send mail to your friends around the world and save your time.